Netfu, unjani ngikhuluma nabani?
Thank you so much. My name is Lunga Malinga, captain of Plus 268 Chess Club.
Okay.
Yes, we are here at the championship 2025 edition. We are here to support our players, being Snobile and Nomcebo Sibisi. Snobile is the defending champion, while Sibisi is a former champion.
Okay, badlala njani so far?
So far, they are doing well so far, and yeah. And as much as some results are quite disappointing, but we are hoping for better at the end of the tournament. Yes, we are here at 268. We are promoting chess, especially for kids, more focused on kids, but we also support those adults who wants to play the sport. And we are here in Matapa. Anyone local in Matapa, come visit Plus 268 and enjoy the game of chess. Think with us, enjoy the game.
Of course. Man, ungangibalekeli nje babethambe kwako lapha. Tell me, what do you think about the current, the current strength of the competition?
Well, the current strength of the competition, well, I can say it's fierce, surprisingly. But it is fierce, and it is showing that more players are developing and are being competitive with the advanced players. And it is quite impressive to watch these young and developing players do chess and play chess as they are doing currently. And yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay, Plus 268 is Tembisani National Championship here 2026.
On the National Championship of 2026, Plus 268 is promising to bring to be represented by at least 4 members at the championship. And we are hoping to be at least two in the both sections, excluding me, because I'm old.
No, we are definitely looking forward to the 2026 National Championship. And thank you, Malinga.
Okay.